Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 18, Test 1, the Writing Task 1, the Informal Letter. Your English speaking friend has asked for your help with a college project he or she is doing about celebrating New Year in different countries. Write a letter to your friend. In your letter, say how important New Year is to people in your country. Describe how New Year is celebrated in your country and explain what you like about New Year celebrations in your country. Begin your letter as follows. Dear Dash. Now this 150 word letter can be written in 20 minutes as follows. Begin your letter with Dear J. In para 1, mention the purpose of writing this letter. In para 2, say how important New Year is in your country. In para 3, describe how New Year is celebrated. In para 4, explain what you like about the New Year celebrations. In para 5, summarize the letter and then end with Best regards, Fred. The following slide will show an 8-band score sample of this letter. Dear Jay, I am writing this letter as a response to your request to provide you with details about the way the New Year is celebrated here in India for your college project. And although I am pleasantly amused by the nature of this topic, I am happy to share this information. As everywhere else, the New Year is an event that is looked forward to by everyone in India. Not only is this event exciting on its own, but it is also coupled with other exciting events like Christmas and an annual week-long holiday. It is usually celebrated with lights, firecrackers, and lots of social events. What I like about the New Year, other than it being the marking of a new calendar year, is that it is a time of new hope and opportunities. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope it does well for your cultural project. Best regards, Fred.